Look at that. It's as tall as Daniel.
I'm about to tear into this roof.
What's up, guys? Back at it again with another bee removal. I'm Dan.
I'm Dave.
We got this nifty angle
Pivot ladder tool.
So this is what we got working today. Bees are up there.
I'm gonna make a prediction that the hive is 5 feet long.
Don't fall.
Second job of the day.
The comb's gonna be attached to the board most likely when it's in the floor. It's important to be careful. Oops. We're about to do a pretty big one here in this house, in that room along the wall.
Look at that. It's as tall as Daniel.
Wow. What in the world?
Look how big that is. There's a hive here, as well as a hive right over here that they're going into. This one's not looking big. We did our first job, and no joke, we pulled 10 gallons of honey out of it, but the man had sprayed the bees, so we could not keep any of the honey. Do not spray your bees. It does not work, and it wastes honey. But we're up here. That's where we are, in that corner. These bees are up here at the very tippy top of that ladder. They're active, baby. All right, we are wrapped up here.
I'm Dan.
And I'm Dade, and this is the end of the week. We love you guys. See you next time.